Hello bachcho. So in this problem we have been given potential energy for the interaction between two gas molecules. It can be represented by the function phi equal to minus phi naught 2 r naught by r to the power 6 minus r naught by r to the power 12, where phi naught and r naught are constant and small r is the separation between two molecules. So basically we have two molecules, each of mass m, it is given, and R is the separation. So the potential energy function is given by this expression. We have to prove that for a small oscillation, the angular frequency is given by omega equal to 144 phi naught by mr naught square to the power half. So as we know that oscillation is performed about the stable equilibrium position. So first of all, let us try to find what is the stable equilibrium position. So if you have studied about this function, then you can conclude that R equal to R naught is basically the stable equilibrium position. But we will see how we can find the stable equilibrium position or the separation. So first of all, let us write this function. So this is a function given. So we can replace this R naught by R to the power 6 by Z. So this will become Z square. So we will get phi equal to Z square minus under le ja. So we will get Z square minus 2Z. So this is basically Z minus 1 whole square minus 1. So from here we can see that phi will be minimum if we take this value to be minimum, and this value will be minimum at Z equal to 1. So putting Z equal to 1, we will get minimum value of phi. So Z equal to 1 means R naught by R की वैल्यू जो है वो 1 हो जाएगी. So R equal to R naught. So where phi is minimum, the potential energy minimum, the position where potential energy is minimum is the equilibrium position. So we have concluded that equilibrium position is R equal to R naught. The force constant for a small oscillation about mean position or equilibrium position is given by differentiating this phi twice with respect to R, that is d2 phi by dr square. So we have differentiated this function phi twice at this position. So we got this expression for d2 phi by dr square. Now putting R equal to R naught at the place of R, we will put R naught. So solving, we get K as 72 phi naught by R naught square. So this is the formula to find force constant for a small oscillation. So now we have obtained K, and since it is the oscillation of two masses, so we will take the reduced mass. So reduced mass will be m1 m2 upon m1 plus m2. Each molecule has mass m, so reduced mass will come out to be m by 2. So omega will be given by under root k by mu. So k हमने निकाल लिया है और mass mu जो है reduced mass, इसकी value हमने निकाल ली है. So by putting value of k and value of mu, we will get omega equal to under root 144 phi naught upon mr naught square. So we have proved that this is the angular frequency. Thank you.